Enable credit limit. In Zoho Books, you can set a credit limit for your customers, and when your customer exceeds the credit limit, you can get an alert. You can set a credit limit from settings, select customers and vendors under preferences. You can check this enable credit limit checkbox. There are two options. First one is restrict creating or updating invoices. Second one is show a warning and allow users to proceed. If you select second option, system will display an alert and you can proceed the transaction. However, in first option, you cannot proceed the invoice if your customer is exceeding the credit limit. In addition to that, there's another option, include sales orders amount in limiting the credit given to customers. So if you check this option, sales orders total also add to the credit limit or invoices when you are calculating the credit limit. First, we will select the second option and save. After that, we will edit a customer and here we will give credit limit and save. Go to invoices and select the customer. You can view the details, customer balances from here by clicking this details option. We'll select item and we will enter some quantity and save the invoice. Now you can see credit limit is being exceeded by 12,000. The credit limit is being configured for this customer to maintain a healthy cash flow, and the credit limit has been exceeded. However, you can choose to continue, cancel or update the credit limit for this customer. Now if you want to proceed this transaction, you can continue the transaction. Here you can view the details, outstanding receivables, invoice amount, total outstanding receivables, customer credit limit and exceed amount. From here you can update your credit limit, or you can continue, or you can cancel this transaction. If you want, you can continue this transaction. Right. Next, we will check the other option. The first option, restrict creating or updating invoices. Click save, close settings, go to invoices and select the customer, select item, enter quantity, and now you can see credit limit is being exceeded by LKR 12,000, outstanding receivable 2,000, invoice amount 30,000, total outstanding receivable 32,000, customer credit limit 20,000, exceeded amount 12,000. So previously there was a button, continue button. However, here only two buttons, update credit limit or ignore and proceed. So you cannot proceed this transaction, because if you proceed this transaction, that customer's credit limit will exceed. So you have the option either get an alert or restrict the transaction. Right. After you set the credit limit, you can go to this customize column and you can tick this credit limit and save. then you can view the credit limit of the customer. Okay. Like that, you can set a credit limit for customer, and you can get an alert or restrict the transaction if the customer is exceeding the credit limit.